India does not speak in one language. It speaks in hundreds of voices, and in every voice, a soul resides. A language is more than words. It carries our thoughts, emotions, and memories. It connects generations and preserves culture. India's greatest miracle is that it does not speak in one voice. It speaks in many and listens with one heart. This is not chaos. This is harmony. Languages do not divide us. They define us. When we listen to each other's languages, we learn unity is respect. Many languages, one nation. Languages carry history, culture, and wisdom. When our language disappears, a culture fades, a voice is silenced forever. When languages live, humanity thrives. Language is a choir, not one voice, but many. Together, our languages become music, the music of humanity. Sanskrit carries philosophy. Tamil preserves timeless poetry. Hindi and Urdu express deep emotion. Bengali fuels creativity and Telugu flows with music. Marathi inspires reform. Punjab celebrates courage. Malayalam tells precise stories. Oriya carries grace and tribal languages hold nature's wisdom. Different languages, different sounds, different scripts, yet one heartbeat, one shared soul, one India. Celebrate your language, respect every language, speak it, share it, pass it on, because when languages live, India lives. If this message touched your heart, like this video, share it with pride, and subscribe for more such stories.